Starting college can be super exciting because this is a chance for you to explore a new city or new area. You can meet new people, make new friends, and make some friendships that are gonna last you a lifetime. Yes, that does sound a little cliche, but you'd be surprised at how close you can get to people during your time in college. For real though, I've made so many friends in college, whether that's in classes, in clubs, or even at the gym, and I talk to them almost every single week. To be honest, it's gonna be a little tricky for you to meet new people and make new friends before the start of college, but I'm gonna share with you guys some ways that you can get connected to your college community. A great way to get to know your college community is through a student online group such as ones on Facebook or Instagram. This is an easy way for you guys to start creating connections with other incoming freshmen before you guys even start classes or arrive on campus. Many incoming classes will also put together a group meet where you guys can ask questions or even get to know each other. Many schools will actually offer events over the summer that incoming freshmen can attend. These events will actually allow you to build a community, get to know the campus, as well as attend different social events and get to know other freshmen. Be sure to check with your school website or talk to the admissions office to see what type of events they offer. My school, the University of Washington, Go Dogs, had something called Dog Days where a lot of incoming freshmen could go to do social activities as well as get to know each other. It's actually really fun, and a lot of times they'll give out free stuff to you guys, so I say attend it, get as much free stuff as you want, and make new friends. Just because you haven't started school yet doesn't mean that you can't look into what kind of clubs are on campus. There are so many options out there, and I'm positive that you guys will find something that you're excited about as well as a new community that you can connect with. I seriously joined so many clubs. I joined an anime club as well as a food eating club and a human versus zombies club. For real though, we legit had a team of zombies and a team of humans, and the humans had Nerf guns and they had to shoot the zombies. And they did this all around campus. It was actually very fun, and it was a really great way for you guys to get some exercise as well as get to know some people. Last but not least, orientation is a great place for you to get to know some of your new classmates. During orientation, you'll learn about how you can get involved in different clubs, different organizations, as well as other social events that are coming up throughout the year. For real though, I recommend that you guys take advantage of all the opportunities that you have. Put yourself out there, don't be afraid, go out, talk to some new people because you never know what's gonna happen. I heard this from someone else, but you would rather live with those 2 seconds of shame and regret than to go your whole life wondering what if and live life with regrets. Personally, I'd rather go out there, face that rejection, get it over with, and then move on. Anyways, as always, if you guys want to know more, check the link down in the description below. You guys can also text hello to 335577 and one of our experts will text you. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.